What's good, Hilux fans? It's been 5 years since I rolled my car, and I am determined to get this thing back on the road. So like, subscribe, and hopefully, in the end, we'll go sideways again together.
I should see what my mate Scotty's done. It's truth.
So this happened. The ground is really hard just here, but apparently just there. Oh, my foot, give me my oh, you dog. You on my foot. Yeah, so we're stuck. Oh no. Oh no.
Maybe we need to do the same on the other side with a bit of wood.
Happy as a pig and shit.
Stop. That's just like a massive pull. Jesus Christ! Oh. Go, Scotty! Keep going. Turn it around. That's it. Turn. Sharp turn. Okay, stop. Not yet. Go. Yeah, go backwards if you can.
Just leave it there. We're going to get this tyre out. It's not coming out easy, eh?
Oh. Stinks. Dave, wait. He doesn't know that you're there.
Well, we got Chloe Soldier out of the mud. There wasn't a Toyota that pulled it out, so you're not going to see it. And now we got the first rescue vehicle sitting balls deep. Front disc definitely on the ground. That's leaf under axle, which will be sitting on the deck. So the ground is a little bit harder at the front there. So hoping we can just get a good snatch on this one.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Round three. Here we go. Stop. Getting dark now. The sun's just, maybe got 40 minutes in it left. Trying to get the front diff out. This is better. It's not brilliant. What's going on up here? We'll change the tow vehicle. We're going to use mine. The Navara didn't quite have the grip. I think we just tug it 2 inches forward. We'll be on our way. But so far we haven't moved it at all.
Toyota action mode.
Yeah. Oh, watch out for all the sticks. You got no shoes on.
Alright.
Oh.
Yes, Australia. Yes, it's the new Olympic sport. To the pub.